So Scott, let's talk about global data, right? Because I feel that you are disrupting the global data access. And so tell me traditionally what happens when I go overseas, and then I have a scenario that I want to run by you. But talk to me about how you're disrupting, mobile data essentially globally.
Sure. I guess traditionally is once you get on that plane and you land in another country, one of two things are going to happen. One is you've told your telecommunications company you're traveling, or two, you turn on that mobile plan and it'll ping you saying, hey, we noticed you're in America, we're charging you $5 a day, $10 a day, or whatever it ends up being. Fundamentally, there's two things in that. One is you get whatever you get given, whether it's 1 gig, 3 gig, whatever it is per day from that telecommunications company. That's it per day. If you go over that, there's all those extra charges, all those international roamings. If you go under that, you lose it every day. By having Zapme data, it's for a month. So whether you use 20 megabytes or 20 gig, it doesn't matter, it's daily, over a month's period. So there's none of this bill shock. You don't suddenly get back and say, oh my God, I use more than my 1 gig allocation. So fundamentally, that's what currently happens, but that's the difference with Zapme. You do not get that bill shock and you know where you are all the time.
Well, the other thing that really excited me about the Zapme solution is that, from Australia, if I want to go to Europe, I got to stop in Dubai or Qatar. So that's one thing, right? So I'm going to be there for a couple of days.
Okay.
Then from there, say I go to Italy.
Yes.
And then from Italy, I go to Greece.
Yes.
Then from Greece, I go back to Italy, and then I go back to Dubai, and then I come back to Australia. Well, traditionally, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, I got to get multiple data packs in different countries.
Correct. You do. Not only do you have to get multiple data packs in every country, you then have to embed that eSIM every time by using a QR code, for example, into your operating system, turn them on, turn them off, etc., etc. With Zapme, you don't. It's one eSIM, multiple countries. In other words, you could have 100 countries with a certain plan, or you can have individual countries if you're only going to one. But the simple part is it's a click of a button, it embeds it in, you activate it today, so when that plane lands in that country, it's already getting data fed in. You don't connect when you're there. It's done in advance, and that's why we built our tech. So it's instantly embeddable and instantly available.
And again, right, so because it is a monthly thing, I don't have to worry about daily or this or that. Like I can just, if I'm going on a 30-day holiday, it's done, it's sorted.
Correct. And what happens also, a lot of people actually go back and forth, right?
Yes.
So now you're buying a month. So you go for a week to America, you come back, you go for a week, you come back. A lot of business people, it's always live, so it just sits there for every time you land. We also have built a beautiful UI system where you can actually see it count down. So you can go in there anytime and say, oh, I've got that much left. So there's no bill shock. You're not going to get it later on. It's there at any time you want. Click of a button. You can see what you've used, what's available, what's left, and what plans you have. If you've done individual countries or done more.
And if people wanted more information on this, where would they go?
Yeah, well, they can go to the website, but to be honest with you, most of it's in the app. Download the app on Android and Apple and go to the data section. It tells you all the pricing of every country. You can buy individual countries, you can buy 100 plus countries, you can go to Africa, but you can buy them anywhere. And it's all on the app, but you're more than welcome to sit there in front of a website if you've got a group of people that want to decide where you're going and what you're doing.
How exciting.
Yeah, no, it's good. And don't forget also, this is really good, if you download Zapme today, if you both have Zapme, you get 500 minutes free calling to each other around the world. If you have an American number, I have an American, it's 500 minutes free, and you can be anywhere in the world.